What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of The JT Show. So today what I want to talk with you about is overcoming adversity. So let's talk about that just for a moment. But before I unpack this, I really want to share with you all how I used to approach adversity was to dominate it, to overpower it. And what I really realized in what I'm going to share with you all, how I made that transition to how I handle adversity now, which is a beautiful teacher, it's a gift, is that I realized what was underneath that need to force and push and dominate and overcome was really just to mask up the fear or sadness, I should say, and or sadness that was behind what I was experiencing with that adversity. Really what the dynamic was reality unfolded. I didn't like what was happening because things weren't going to plan. So my mind was saying, this is what I want. Reality is unfolding that's different from what I want. And in fact, not only is it different, but the adversity is I'm actually getting what I don't want. And so that fear and sadness and stress, anxiety, worry, doubt was all running that need to dominate and try to push through the adversity. Instead, what I'd like to share with you all is a new approach. No matter what's going on, that's an adverse situation. Reality's unfolded, whether it's in your relationship, in your business, with the economy, with your friendships, whatever it is, really just take a look at what is my relationship to this situation? Why is this so difficult? What am I having a problem with? What am I scared about? Why am I sad? Because things just aren't going my way. So the best way to overcome adversity, to transcend it, is to reframe your relationship to it. Take a look at what is happening. So if you could take a look at what is happening and be objective instead of subjective, you can see the situation for what it is, not for how you are and what your wants and desires are. The plan that you had is not being had, right? Like things aren't just going your way. So let's take the economy, for example. Do you know during COVID in 2020, so many businesses went online to Zoom. You could serve more people. Agents were listing people's property over Zoom instead of having to drive over there. Saved time, effort, energy. Many businesses found out that they didn't need the brick and mortar buildings to house all the employees. We could do it from home. What a beautiful gift that is. And so if you take a look at adversity and the situation unfolded, it's not how I thought it was going to happen. It's not really what I wanted, but let me drop all of that away and accept the situation for what it is. Let me surrender to this reality that's unfolded. And if I can do that and I can remain objective and see it for what it is, I might discover that there's some beautiful information there. That's the opportunity for me to transcend old programming, old ways of thinking, insufficient, ineffective ways. And there's really a gift there. There's an evolution within myself because this reality unfolded that was seemingly on the onset adverse, meaning it just wasn't what I wanted. But what is the lesson here? What is the gift that's being shown to me? And if I'm willing to drop away all of my self-imposed limitations and see it for what it is, I might be able to evolve myself, evolve my business, evolve my relationships. I might be able to pivot and go in a new direction that's going to make the old model of my reality obsolete. And thank you so much, adversity, for giving me that gift of awareness so that I can be different, so that I can do different, so I can have a different world. I can create my own reality. And thank you so much, adversity, for giving me the opportunity to check in, see things for as they are, and evolve myself, and evolve my life. So I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every JT show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Are you surrounding yourself with people when the adverse situation unfolds before them, they crumble and fall, or they go hide away, or they point the fingers and blame other people? Or are you surrounding yourself with people that welcome adversity, that thank it as a beautiful teacher because they know that there's gifts of awareness there for them to grow themselves? So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.